Powering the entire setup is my custom built laptop, early 2011 15-inch MacBook Pro. This laptop has a processor of 2.2 GHz Intel i7, 4GB RAM and 750 SSD hard drive. This MacBook Pro has gone through tough times and challenges throughout my university days. CAD packages, softwares like SolidWorks, Autodesk and Home Design Pro were used, and it has never disappointed me in rendering high quality images. However, due to lack of updates from Apple and large files, especially when editing videos via Final Cut Pro X, it is now showing its age. Finally, this brings me to my new and favorite part of this setup, which is 34-inch ultra-wide 2K LG monitor. Cost about just over £400, and it is currently supported by a VESA single arm desk monitor from Amazon, priced just under £30. If you found this video useful, please let me know by hitting the like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe so you can be notified as soon as new videos are uploaded. Thank you.